Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I have a brand new subscription for you that you're gonna love. If you're into makeup, stick around.
Action fun and back to lock 19 with Marta.
First of all, I have to tell you, yes, they sent me this product for free, but it does not make a difference because you're gonna love it as much as I love it. These are monthly subscription boxes, and we've all heard of all kinds of subscription boxes. Well, these are makeup. These are little palettes. These are, I guess that's why they call it deck of Scarlet, because I guess it's like a deck of cards and you get a whole bunch of different things in your deck. That's how I look at it. But wait until you look at it and you see how sophisticated the packaging is. Okay, this is what you get. You get this box, which is super sophisticated in this black. You know, I think that sometimes we need to have things that are sophisticated, and I think this is sophisticated. Then you open up the box and you get a card giving you some information. Here it says Deck of Scarlet, meet Roxette Arisa, our artist in chief for this season. And it says a little bit about her so that you know who is involved in this beautiful, beautiful box. This is a velvet top that you get on top of the product below. And take a look at this. This is beautiful. These are two pencils. This is not the makeup look I have today. I have another one from this box, but let me show you these two pencils, which are like cream. I am going to try and not mess this up because I want to show you this one. I want to show you and give it the right quality review that it deserves. This one is like a copper, a shimmery copper, and I love this. I just love this absolutely. I wore it, and this is an eyeliner. I wore it and I took a picture of it for Instagram. If I can put that picture in here, I will. But what I like about that is that in this palette, you can wear a subdued look, but with a little shimmer, you know? And this is the lip pencil that comes in that palette. And again, it's like butter, you know, butter. I love it. I love the color. It's the type of color that basically goes or flatters a lot of lips and a lot of lipstick. And sometimes I think it's better to put a lip liner that flatters your lip color so that if your lip color starts fading, at least you still have that liner. Now let's go into the palette itself. It comes in a sleeve. On the sleeve, it's going to give you, oh, and it feels so good. Talk about, you know, the texture. It's just, it feels like quality. Doesn't feel, you know, Mickey Mouse. It feels like the real deal. So this one says, make waves, turn heads, and take the plunge. And it says, escape to the tropics with Deck of Scarlet's latest edition. Transport your look to the sandy beaches and exotic hues of Bora Bora. Okay, a sizzling aquamarine shimmer and bronzed. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm going to show it to you because I think that speaks louder than me reading it. Oh, let me show you. Look, you open this side and there are your lip glosses. You open this side and this is magnetic closure. And there's the rest of the palette. You want to see that again? Gloss. The rest of the palette. And did you see those colors? All right, let me take it out. I am going to take out that little plastic here. Well, I'm not going to take out the plastic. I'm just going to put it like this. You can see I played with it because I created a look with this, and these colors are absolutely divine. I loved them. I put this one in the inside and this in the outside. And this is a shimmer. I'm going to try and swatch these. Okay, I'll do these three because, you know, I don't want to mess this up because it's so beautiful. I'm going to do these three here. Okay, and I'm telling you, look at that pigmentation. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Okay, this is so good. I don't have fingers to do the other ones now. I should have brought a towel. All right, let me try it with okay, the thumb is clean, and this for that shimmer. It's called Rock Star. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. Tell me that that is not insane. That is beautiful. Okay? And this is the blush. Talk about pigmentation. This is gonna last. This is gonna go on. You're gonna just, you know, it's beautiful. Beautiful. I don't want to dirty it. You know why I like these? Because I can stick this in my gym bag. I need to get something to wash. Take this off. I can stick it in my gym bag and have a full face. I love it, but I'm not gonna stick it in my gym bag. I'm gonna stick it in my purse. Let me get something to clean my hand so I can do the other one, which is the one I'm wearing now. So you put it back in the box like this. This is just insane. It is so classy. I store it in here if I'm not using it because I just think this is so classy. I love it. I love this. I love this. I need to show you the other one. Let me move on and show you the other one. The other one is the look I'm wearing now, okay? Which I love. Okay, look at the look I'm wearing now. Yellow is very nice, very pretty. Do you see that? Very pretty. But there's more. But I wanted to save it. I wanted to save it because I wanted to surprise you. Okay, so this one is here. And this one is by, let's see who the inspiration for this one was. Christina Makeup. Christina, what is it? Wait, Christina X Makeup. She's a content creator. And now, let me show you. Oh, the palettes, they have numbers, or like I like, you know, the decks. They have numbers. The other one was, what was the one? What was this deck of Scarlet? This one was, oh, I don't know. What was the deck number? Yeah, okay. I need to be more prepared. I don't know. I think it was 5. I'm not sure. I'll get it in a second. Okay. This one is 11. This one is 11. They all have numbers. You go on their website. You pick the number that you want. They all have numbers. This one is 11. And again, you have that peekaboo for the lip gloss. And you have the other peekaboo for the rest. And did you see? Yes, I ruined the surprise. Look at those colors. Did you see that yellow? Okay, look at the yellow. Now, let me show you a swatch. I have a mess on my couch. I have a mess. I don't want to get them mixed up. Let me show you. They have this
I'm
black.
not connected to Wi-Fi. Connect me and I'll be happy to help.
She's always talking to me. You know who it is. Alexa. Always listening. I never talk to her and she's always talking to me. All right, we're back to this. This is the Onyx, which is the eyeliner that I have on, and it's almost as if it was a liquid eyeliner. It is so solid, doesn't skip, it does not kick back. It is excellent. And then I have this one, which is called Tan Lines, and it is beautiful. And I have this one, of course. I'm using the entire palette. Let's swatch it. Let's swatch it. I just gently touched it, and look, that's a gentle touch, okay? This is insane. This is insane. Now I'm gonna show you, let me clean my hands so I can show you the rest. I have this, which is a shimmer. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this shimmer. It is beautiful. Well, now I have to even it out and put it on the other side. It's just beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Here we go. Right, how about here? How about there? Okay. Talk about pigmentation. Now, this color, the blush, when I was gonna put it on, I said, this might be a little too dark. It really isn't. You have to be very light with it because then it will be. Because I'm used to wearing lighter and pinker type shades. So see, you have to be, but look at that. It doesn't even come off here. I'm like, this is impressive. This is impressive stuff. You have to be very careful with it and not put too much on, because these are very pigmented products, very high quality, very buttery. These are delicious. I love them. And where's my surprise? Well, you know that there's a little well here. Let me show you. I'm moving around so much, but I'm excited. There's a little well here, right? Well, what came in that well? Ta-da! This is magic. This is the magic wand, okay? This, watch what happens. Do you see this? This is the most beautiful sparkler I have ever seen. Now, they say here, this is what it's called, Gold Glitter Liquid Eyeliner, right? Now, let me show you. I'm gonna do this on the viewfinder, so be gentle with the critique. What if I wanted to just put a little thingy, like right there? See? And then what if I wanted to put a little thingy like right there? It would be a subtle, very subtle little sparkle that you can add to your look. This is beautiful. I love this. So I wanted to show it to you at the end because I wanted it to be a little, I don't know, like a little surprise. Okay, so let's see what, because I've got these now all spread out and I wanted to have them in the right box. That one I think is Roxette and this one is here. Yes, I want to keep them in the right box. I'm really happy with them. I love them. I don't know which one I like better, but I love them both. Let me take them both out of the box and show you again. This one, which I needed to give you the number of the subscription. Number 7. This was number 7. So that's this one. This is number 7. And let me take it out of here so you can tell me which one you like better. This is number 7. And this is number 11. 7, 11. This is number 11. Okay. So you get to tell me which one you like best. How's that? Okay, there we go. I love these. I love them. I really do. So you let me know which one you like best. In the meantime, I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.